Okay, I want to give you a real quick, like 30-second intro to what's going on. So we just finished a 2-week trip with my parents, and we hit 3 different countries. So we did a lot, and there's a lot that I could show you. It's going to take a long time to get through it all, but I'm not going to show you every little thing. I'm going to give you the condensed, summarized version. So I'm going to split this whole trip into probably 7 different videos. So this will be the first one, and let's just take it one step at a time. So we started in Bangkok in Thailand, so let's jump into that, and more videos coming later. All right, the tour is officially starting now, so some of this stuff I've maybe already seen as we travel around Bangkok and Chiang Mai, and if that's the case, I'll film it very quickly because the next couple weeks are going to be busy, so we're going to have a lot of videos coming, a lot to film. So right now we're in Bangkok at the Grand Palace, which I've been to before, but it was closed, so I didn't go inside, so we're going to start with that, and I think that's a good way to start the trip. Well, it looks like I already got a little bit sunburnt yesterday. Not too bad. So yesterday we were in Bangkok. Today we're an hour north of Bangkok in Ayutthaya, which is one of the old capitals. So there's some palaces we're going to check out, more temples, and we'll see what the day brings.
Cinematic thing that was had here.
So some of these temples here around Ayutthaya were actually used in the Mortal Kombat movie. I don't know if I'm at those exact temples or not. They all kind of look the same, but there's some very cool ancient ruins here, which I enjoy. So it's only day 2 of the tour. I'm already kind of getting burnt out from all the temples and palaces and things like that. And don't get me wrong, it's very cool. I'm enjoying it. But it's like overwhelming seeing a bunch of the same things. That's why tomorrow's gonna be very cool because it's something very different from all this. So I'm looking forward to that. So let's just wrap up this video here, or at least this segment, and then we'll see you tomorrow.